Culture, come back youth.
Watch out for the vampire who will sneak up in the dark.
Me know no could trick me. Me know a pay somebody pay the Rasta they fi ride pan bicycle and sell broom. Me know when they can't trick me. Rasta get too much beaten. So they must buy them we out through this. Rasta na mixing a corruption, you know, and that a corruption, brother. Corruption that. Rasta na buy them we out through life, you know, brother. Rasta use iriness and deal with freedom thing. Me no know what go on here, so you know, brother. You see me? And you gaffer when I say about Zion Gate open up back. Me a take back his spare key when I cut gear, you know. Cause me no know how you easy for buy out, so you know, brother. You make the man them buy out and trick your dog. But Zion Gate open up. You go on and me response for Zion Gate. You see me not say Zion Gate open, Zion Gate can't free because you think you can trick me, you know. The real bobo them there hiding, one and few of them there road a walk, but them humble like a lamb. Nobody feel when they can trick that one. Yeah. Me I watch every moves and every play, yeah. But now come buy out we but now put Rasta on bicycle for sell bro. Me a one man gate alone, me not see nobody else video the Rasta there. One person get him there. You can't trick me. Yo, me free up Zion Gate when Zion Gate forget free up. You hear me say? But Zion Gate free up. No man now up talk about Zion Gate open up. Nothing man. Me tell you when Zion Gate pull. Come down man.